The sponsors Vodafone, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. The chairman has said whatever needs to be said. My small task, however, is just to make a few remarks. Hibiscus Festival, like many other festivals throughout Fiji, we tend to sometimes get carried away with the glamour of the kings and queens, but it has to it a very fundamental cause, which is why these events were created in the first place, and that is to contribute to a charitable cause. The funds that have been raised from the Hibiscus fundraising events, the queens that raise the charity funds, in fact go towards assisting many underprivileged people, many worthy causes throughout society. And I've been told, and which I'm very glad about, that the Hibiscus fundraising is not only restricted to the Suva area, but it goes throughout Fiji, which I think is a wonderful initiative, and we should applaud the Hibiscus Organizing Committee for that. There is no doubt that many of these events, we need to take a holistic approach, a national approach. I'd like to thank them for doing so. Again, of course, the Hibiscus remains one of the premier contests throughout Fiji. There are, of course, many other towns and cities throughout Fiji that have their own festivals too. But Hibiscus Festival has captured the imagination of many Fijians, not just over here, but of course those living abroad. And in that sense, it's become a very annual event, not in a national sense, but also within the region. Many Fijians I know actually come back to Fiji for the Hibiscus Festival. So in that way, we're also working towards the committees like the Hibiscus Committee and the others to help put these festivals on the tourism calendar, because we need to take advantage of it and we want to work more closely with them. And I think as a community, as a country, as a city, as a town, we all need to work towards ensuring that these festivals become a success. And I think for the purpose of our gathering here tonight, from what I understand, the idea is to get sponsorship for these very brave ladies. I cannot see myself prancing up and down the catwalk and being, ogled by many thousands or tens of thousands of people and them judging you. So I think they're very brave people who in fact put forward or put their life on hold for a few weeks so they can raise funds. And I hope that the business houses in particular who are gathered here today come forward and choose these ladies as their representatives, as their contestants, so we can have a successful Hibiscus Festival. Thank you once again to Vodafone, the key sponsor of this event, and of course many of the other sponsors who will ensure that the Hibiscus Festival becomes a successful story yet once again. So with those few words, ladies and gentlemen, thank you once again for coming here. I also see the Special Administrator is here, and also with his support, I'm sure this year's festival will become a success, and I wish you all a very good evening. Naka, thank you.